Hey guys, so Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro are launching on October 13 as this official teaser claims this. This will be the first smartphone to have this. Yes guys, Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro are going to have Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. As it is clear from this official teaser, the word Elite here clearly means the Gen 4 chipset, the Qualcomm 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is upcoming in October. Anyways, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro are having some of the most exciting upgrades. They will have IP69 water resistance rating, new titanium finish on Pro model and ultrasonic fingerprint scanners. But coming to the Qualcomm 8 Gen 4, which is the main highlight of the device, and it is already being tested out on couple of other upcoming smartphones, and results are shockingly insane. As you can see, the Geekbench results are very strong comparatively, and this chipset is having 56% GPU performance uplift compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is crazy. So Xiaomi 15 series will be the world's first smartphone to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Xiaomi 15 series will be running Android 15 and HyperOS 2.0 out of the box. The 15 Pro is packing a huge 5400 mAh of battery, which is insane, and it will have 6.7 inches 120Hz 2K resolution display with center punch hole selfie shooter. There will be 90 watts of fast wired charging on Xiaomi 15 Pro. Yes guys, the Xiaomi 15 and 15 Pro will be having 90 watts of wired fast charging. The Xiaomi 15 is coming with 6.3 inches 1.5K 120Hz display with 1400 nits brightness. As far the battery is concerned, it will have 48 or maybe 4900 mAh of battery with same 90 watts of fast charging. Xiaomi 15 Ultra will make its appearance in early 2025, and it will pack huge camera sensors. Like there will be 200 megapixel telescope camera which will be capable of 10x lossless zoom. There will be a total of 3 camera sensors on 15 and 15 Pro. All 3 of them will be 50 megapixel sensors. The main camera will be 50 megapixel OmniVision OV50H sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide from Samsung, the ISOCELL JN1 sensor, while the third one will be 3x telephoto sensor, of which the specs are not confirmed yet. On the front, these devices will have 32 megapixel selfie shooter in center punch hole design, and this will be a bezel-less display just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So yeah, that's all guys. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.